The early 1950s saw the dawn of the jet age. The world marveled at the speed and power of these new aircraft. Military strategists saw an opportunity. They envisioned bombers that could outrun any defense. This led to the concept of the XB-70 Valkyrie. The United States Air Force wanted a bomber that could fly at Mach 3. It would operate at 70,000 feet. This combination would make it nearly untouchable. The XB-70 was to be the ultimate weapon in the Cold War. The Valkyrie's design was ambitious. It featured a large delta wing. 6 powerful engines would propel it to incredible speeds. The aircraft's skin was made of exotic materials. These could withstand the heat generated at Mach 3. The XB-70 was a true marvel of engineering. The North American Aviation Company won the contract to build the XB-70. The company had a strong track record. It had built the famous P-51 Mustang fighter and the B-25 Mitchell bomber. Engineers faced many challenges. The XB-70 was pushing the boundaries of what was possible. One of the biggest challenges was heat. At Mach 3, the friction of air would heat the aircraft's skin to extreme temperatures. Engineers developed new materials and techniques to combat this. They used a honeycomb structure for the aircraft's skin. This would allow it to expand and contract without losing strength. Another challenge was stability. Early supersonic aircraft had a tendency to pitch up at high speeds. This was a dangerous characteristic. To solve this, the XB-70's wings were designed to droop downwards at high speeds. This would counteract the pitch-up tendency. These innovations made the XB-70 a technological marvel. By the early 1960s, the world was changing. Intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, were becoming a reality. These missiles could deliver nuclear weapons much faster than any bomber. This cast doubt on the need for a high-speed, high-altitude bomber like the XB-70. The XB-70 program also faced political challenges. The new Kennedy administration was focused on other priorities. These included the space race and the Vietnam War. The XB-70, with its high cost and uncertain future, was an easy target for cuts. Despite these challenges, the XB-70 program continued in a reduced capacity. 2 prototypes were built. These would be used for research and development purposes. The XB-70, once envisioned as the future of strategic bombing, would now serve as a testbed for supersonic flight. Section 4, Triumph and Tragedy. The XB-70's final flights. The first XB-70 prototype took flight on September 21, 1964. It was an impressive sight. However, tragedy struck on June 8, 1966. The second XB-70 prototype collided with an F-104 starfighter. This accident cast a shadow over the program. The remaining XB-70 continued flying for another 3 years. The program was officially cancelled in 1969. Section 5, Enduring Legacy. The Valkyrie's impact on aviation. The XB-70 Valkyrie never entered full-scale production. It never dropped a bomb in anger. Yet its impact on aviation history is undeniable. The XB-70 was a technological marvel. It pushed the boundaries of what was possible. The lessons learned from the XB-70 program were invaluable. They influenced the development of later aircraft. These included the B-1 Lancer bomber and the space shuttle. The XB-70's legacy lives on in these aircraft. Today, the sole surviving XB-70 prototype is on display. It sits in the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Ohio. It stands as a testament to American ingenuity. The XB-70 Valkyrie may have been the bomber that never was, but it will always be remembered as a legend of aviation history.